Now, there's no denying the fact that there's a ton of volatility in both Terra Luna Classic and Terra Luna 2.0. But a lot of people want to know whether or not Terra Luna Classic is going to return to its old valuation. And this is hard to answer in a sense that yes, it will, or no, it won't, because so many things have changed over the course of the last month or two. So I want to talk about this in terms of, what we're looking at, what those differences are, and then make a determination there on what the market cap was, what the market cap needs to be in order to return to that old valuation, and therefore just come to a conclusion on whether or not it is possible. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing for Terra Luna Classic, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. You're going to get 6 free stocks during their anniversary promo. $1 in crypto trade gets $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys do want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can get Terra Luna Classic once it opens back up and Terra Luna 2.0 to be tradable, you've got a link in the description below for Voyager. You're going to get $50 in free Bitcoin just for signing up there and making your first $100 trade. So check that out as well. But guys, let's talk about the possibilities here, and let's talk about whether or not Terra Luna Classic is going to return to its old valuation. So the first thing we need to look at and I guess understand is, what was the old valuation? Terra Luna Classic is currently valued at about $600 million. Now, of course, that's give or take a little bit, and it's not a dead-on number, but it's roughly $600 million. And its old valuation was somewhere between the range of $40 and $50 billion. So what does that tell us? That tells us that it nearly needs to, just to keep numbers simple, 100x before it gets to those old valuation numbers. Now, a 100x increase is absolutely possible, but we need to talk about what is different now and whether or not a move like this is probable. Because I know a lot of people are taking that lottery ticket gamble on Terra Luna. And look, if you're investing $1 and you're going to turn it into $100, or $10 is going to turn into $1,000, or $1,000 is going to turn into $100,000, I mean, that's going to be an amazing return, and nobody's going to be upset with that. So just not even taking into consideration any of the burns, and there are massive burns going on for Terra Luna Classic right now, not even taking into consideration any of the potential projects that could be built up on Terra Luna and the blockchain there. Let's talk about what we are looking at if the supply remains the same and we've got ourselves a good old-fashioned meme coin here. So knowing that the valuation has to get into that $40 to $50 billion range, and knowing it's roughly a 100x from the current price, that means we are going to be sitting somewhere between a half a cent and a 1 penny valuation, or at 1 penny price point on Terra Luna Classic. Now, this is by no means impossible. Coins all the time can reach that $40 to $50 billion valuation during a bull market. Okay, that's the thing we got to point out here. Meme coins thrive when investors are extremely confident. Now, of course, Terra Luna crashed in value. It was during a bear market, yes, but there's a ton of stuff going on, and I'm sure you guys are very familiar with all of the depegging in UST and the fresh mints of all of these. Fresh mint sounds like fresh mint. Never mind. All of the newly minted coins for Terra Luna Classic out there that dropped the valuation drastically, and just a returning bull market will be enough to make investors want to buy meme coins. Why? Confidence allows people to buy at all-time highs. It allows people to buy coins like meme coins. Shiba Inu coin is an amazing example of confident investors throughout 2021 pumping the price of Shiba Inu coin up and watching it soar in value. The absolute same thing can happen to Shiba Inu coin when investors return with their confidence again, and it can happen in Terra Luna Classic as investors realize, you know what? This may not have a project around it. You know what? This may not be the next utility coin, but these lunatics, These self-proclaimed lunatics in the Terra Luna Classic community, they're on to something. You know, if they've been willing to hold through this massive decline, if they've been willing to buy in the face of all of this danger, yeah, they're here for one reason and one reason only. They want to watch the price go up. So that's going to feed into investors' mentalities. Once they start rolling back in, we have to shift the overall market before we see some of these massive gains and really ridiculous gains when it comes down to it. Because think about it. Putting billions of dollars into a meme project is a risk. And it's not backed up by anything at all, which is why investors need to be confident, and we need to have this bull rally going on in order for that to take place. Aside from that, yes, we absolutely could have all of the burns and things going on, but I don't want to get into that too much. I want to talk about the fact that, you know, we are facing different times in Terra Luna Classic right now than we were back then. And I keep mentioning meme coin, right? So Terra Luna Classic, it used to be the stability token for UST, which is an algorithmic stable coin. And that basically means that instead of having a reserve, like a cash reserve, we're sitting on $50 billion in cash. Therefore, we can have a $50 billion stable coin. What was happening is UST, the Luna Terra ecosystem stablecoin, was pegged to $1 by freshly minted and freshly burnt Terra Luna, now Terra Luna Classic. And as the price would go down a little bit, they would mint more coins, and then they would bring the price of UST back up. If the price of UST started to get out of hand, they would burn Terra Luna Classic, and so on. But unfortunately, you know, that depegging allowed things to spiral out of control. So just a couple of weeks ago, months at this point, Terra Luna Classic was an absolute utility coin. It had, you had the decentralized authority out there. People were using it as a governance token. They were earning rewards, and people were using it to stabilize UST, that stable coin. All of that is no longer here. So we are facing very, very different times, and the fact that Terra Luna Classic is at this point only being supported by the Terra Luna Classic community and the self-proclaimed lunatics. Terra Luna 2.0 is still unfolding and unraveling on centralized exchanges across the globe. Terra Luna Classic is, I think I said Terra Luna 2.0, I don't even know. Terra Luna Classic is still, I guess, suspended on some exchanges, and as it opens up, the volatility will continue on. But as the volatility subsides and people make the decision whether or not to buy, hold, and really look towards the future of Terra Luna Classic, you know, we're going to have to deal with these swings in the meantime. But I want to know what you guys think, because I do. I think that it can reach those valuations simply as a meme coin. Let me know down in the comments below if I'm crazy, if I'm optimistic, what your guys' thoughts are, and of course, if you are holding Terra Luna Classic and you guys want it to go up in value. Let us know down there. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You've got links in the description below for Webull, and check out Voyager. You guys are going to get $50 in free Bitcoin for signing up, and check out Terra Luna Classic on the platform as well. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.